if you hate this little bit of difference about me, which literally changes nothing about me, just probably makes me a little more exciting, please unsubscribe. So I said this in a story not too long ago, in an effort to be more real and to be my more authentic self, I'm gonna stop being so polished. I'm going to stop worrying about cussing because that's who I am. I don't always not curse, and I've done that for so long on this YouTube channel, just trying to make sure it was clean and good for everyone. And it's really caused me to hold back. And in all reality, what I have to say and my thoughts on business are gonna help a certain type of person who is geared to attack business a lot like me. Now, I really want to help everyone succeed, but there's certain things that if you don't agree with and I have strong feelings on, we might not agree and see eye to eye, and that's part of life, and that's what's great about it. So I know that I need to bring who I am a lot more and not always worry about the polished stuff, you know? I'm a risk taker. I think that's what business owners are. I like to succeed. I think that's what business owners are, how they're geared. I like to make money. I really like to make money. I like to make money for all kinds of reasons, to give a better life to my family, to help other people. It's like putting the mask on in the airplane. I've used this conversation for a past employee, and I said, you know, in an airplane, they tell you to put the mask on before you put it on your kid. And this person just couldn't wrap his mind around that. You know, he's always there to save his kid. Well, same way with your business, same way with your money. If you don't have your life, your business, your personal thing straight, you can't help anyone. You know, you are screwing everyone around you by being concerned and trying to put more effort into everyone around you to make sure everything is going good. You know, being selfish and building up yourself and building up your success and building up your money, it's what allows you to do things for other people. So remember that. They want you to be able to save your kid in the plane. That's how you get informed on how to use the oxygen. So money is oxygen in a business. So you need to be thinking about yourself and the business first and making sure you can survive. That's why when it comes to laying people off and it comes to doing the hard things or letting someone go that doesn't work out, you need to keep the focus that it's about the bigger picture. It's about saving the thing that produces and creates opportunities for everyone around you. And you need to focus on the correct things. You need to get rid of the crybaby mindset that says, oh no, some prices are raising on some things I have to pay, or all this. You need to stop spending negative energy on bullshit. People whine and cry about the things that they have to go out and buy anyway the price is raising. Yeah, it's not exciting that prices raise and things change, but to continuously be focusing on your business and protecting the entity, yourself, your money, like the things that go out and produce for others, you can't spend time focusing on stuff you can't control. You either can control it or you can't. Focus on what you can control so you can protect the whole and help others build, help people around you build, because you are set and ready to take care of others. You are not passing out because you have no oxygen and you're no longer able to help anyone around you. So that's my rant for today, and this was the little release of I'm just gonna really start being myself more, because a lot of times I feel like I'm faking it, trying to clean up the way I feel, clean up the way I act, because I get super adamant, I get super freaking excited. Like, it's just how I am, and perspective comes from the energy that I'm able to produce. And if I cut that back at all, I'm doing everyone a disservice. So if you hate this little bit of difference about me, which literally changes nothing about me, just probably makes me a little more exciting, please unsubscribe. If you love this change in this thing that I'm going to be wrapping in and additionally increasing my excitement video after video after video to provide you more truthful content about the goods and the bads and the wins and the losses and what I can do to try to share with you to try to help you, subscribe. See you soon.